Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well at your home. Today I am back with another chapter of your English, that is your The Little Plant. Okay, so this is a poem. This is a poetry written by Cat L. Brown. Okay, so this is the poem how the plant comes out of the seed. Everyone, you have seen seed. In that seed a little plant is there, okay, and it is there when it comes out, when it get the food. From where it get the food? It get the food from the sunlight and water. When it gets sufficient sunlight and water, it comes out of that seed. So let's read this poem and see how this small plant is coming out of the seed. For that, what you have to do? You have to take out your book 7, okay, and where you have this chapter 13, and the name of the chapter is The Little Plant. So let's read this chapter, this poem together and know more about the seed and plant. In the heart of a seed, buried deep so deep, a dear little plant, lay fast asleep. That means the poet is trying to say that in the seed there is a small plant who is sleeping, who is asleep inside the seed. ओके एक बीज के अंदर छोटा सा प्लांट है जो सोया हुआ है, और वो कब उठेगा? Wake up, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake up, said the voice of the raindrops bright. So here the sunshine and the raindrops are asking the seed to come out, the plant to come out of the seed and see the bright and see the light outside the world, outside the seed. So wake up, said the sunshine. The sunshine is asking that wake up and creep to the light and see the light outside the seed. Wake, said the voice of the raindrop bright. And the voice of the raindrop is saying to come out of the seed. The little plant heard and it rose to see what the world, outside world might be. So he heard the voice of the raindrop and sunshine, and he was also, the plant was also eager to see the world so wonderful outside the seed. Okay, so see, by getting the sunlight and the water, the plant, the small plant inside the seed comes out and it see the world, and our world is so beautiful with trees, flowers, fruit, colorful flowers. Okay, so this is about the chapter, and this poem is written by Cat L. Brown. Let's read the chapter once again, and I would like to request you, please read this chapter along with me. In the heart of a seed, buried deep so deep, a dear little plant lay fast asleep. Wake, said the sunshine, and creep to the light. Wake, said the voice of the raindrop bright. The little plant heard, and it rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. Okay, so read this chapter again and again. Enjoy the chapter. Take care of the plant. Try to plant more and more of the tree, because plants are very important for us, because it keep our environment clean and gives us air. Hope you like the poem. Till then, bye bye and take care.